Hi, today I'm planning to show you like what is squashing in the G12. Okay, squashing is nothing but so let's say like I'm working in a branch, okay, and uh, I'm making some changes on a file, okay, a file, a couple of files, okay, and I committed it. Okay, before merging, like raising a pull request to merge the changes from my branch to the master branch. Okay, I found something, okay, some more changes, so I need to work on those changes, and then I am committing those changes again, and I am pushing those changes again to my repository, okay, my branch, right? So at this point, okay, when I raise a pull request to merge the changes from my branch to the master branch, okay, I can see a two commits on my branch, right? The commit which I did a few hours before, and the commit which I did just now. So when I raised a pull request, okay, the pull request you should be seeing two commits, okay. So most of time, like when someone want to review your commits, okay, they don't want to go through all the commits, right? They want to see only one commit, and that need to be clear for them to review, to make a review easy for them, right? So they ask you to squash all the commits and come up with only one commit to the branch, right? So that is a scenario. So today I am going to show you, how that really works, all right? So let's say like I have a repository called Git test, okay, and I have a master branch and I have a demo branch, okay. Let's say, okay, in the demo branch, um, so this is my demo branch, okay. So if you see this properties, so Git, if you see here, this is my demo branch and this is my master, okay, properties, and this is my master, okay. So I am going to my demo branch, I am opening this existing file, okay, I am making a change, okay, I am saving it, okay. Now I am going to commit it, right? Commit change 1, okay. This is my commit message, okay. This is my commit message. I am committing to the demo branch, okay. So this is a difference. I initially had 1 2 3. I am going to change it as 1 2 3 4, okay. So I committed it. Now I want to push those changes from my local to my branch in the repo, right? So push to origin, okay. So once it is pushed, okay, maybe we can go and see it. So in the Git repository, I am going to demo branch. I am going to open this file and I can see my change, okay. So this is the change 1, okay. At this point I am not going to register pull request. What I am going to do, I am going to make one more change, okay. 1 2 3 4 5, going to change, save it, and I am going to commit it again, second time. This is my description, okay. Now I'm again going to commit it to demo branch, okay, and I am going to push it again to my repository, okay. Once I push it, okay, I'm going back to my repository. I'm going to my branch, opening my text file, okay. So I can see my change, okay. Now, okay, I need to raise a pull request, okay, new pull request, and the pull request I need to say like from my demo branch I need to merge to master. So if you see here, okay, I am seeing 2 commits, right? So mostly like we don't want to go with these 2 commits, right? Like if we have a number of commits, we don't want to push all these commits to the master. We just need to go with one version. That can be the latest one, right? So that is that is when we need to use the squash in the Git. Okay, so I am using a Tata Git for squashing. Okay, so here what I am going to do, okay, right click, and so for squashing you need to do rebasing. Okay, so here you need to say, so in the demo branch, okay, you need to upstream to master. Okay, and here you need to say like what you need to squash, right? Like I just want to squash the one of these two and pick the other one, right? So it's a combine together and just select one. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say here. And when I start rebase, okay, so now it is asking which, give your command, right? Like if you see here, like I have the message I given for a commit 1 and the message I given for a commit 2, but if you want to change it, you can change it as a new message, squash commit final. Okay, so it is a new message. Okay, and I'm going to commit it. Okay, so it is done. Okay, now if we go and see, like still it is not updated. If we go and see like pull request, new pull request from demo branch to master, it's still there because you need to push your commits, right? You have to push your changes. So I'm going to push it from my local to my repository. Okay, remote cancel. Okay, from local to my repository. So sometimes what will happen, like the push from Git may not work properly, so I am opening my Git bash, and here I have to do the force push. Okay, so Git push, I need to say from which origin, okay, to which origin, like so the origin is demo branch. Okay, and I am going to do a force push. Okay, like if I do here, like if you see in the Git, let me do it here, right? Let me try the force option here, copy force. Okay, so yeah, so this happens. Okay, in the Git, mostly I used to see this in the data is Git. That's why I prefer to do this force push from the Git app. Okay, now I'm pushing my changes, and if we go back and see what is happening in the repository, okay, create demo branch, create pull request, new pull request from demo branch to master. See, all the commits are gone and it is one commit which we did with a rebase. Right, now if you create pull request, right, Git Squash Commit final, create pull request. That's all. The pull request is done, and I'm going to merge my pull request. Confirm merge, and if you go back and see the main branch, right, the master branch, yes, latest files are merged to my master. So yeah, so basically squashing is nothing but removing all the commits and commit only one change, like combine all the commits into one and then merge to the master. Okay, that's the purpose of squashing. Hope you all understood what is squashing in Git. See you in the next video. Bye.